Oh, look at that, tubers. My plow tractor, my new one. So I've been working on this for the past 2 days. Took the rear end out of it, welded it up, made it a locker. Done pulley swap on the rear end. Haven't done anything to the front pulley yet. Well, it's lying over on the workbench there, but nothing much other than that. Well, how about that, tubers? Just use those back wheels on the front there are 18s, and the back ones they're 20s, so that looks pretty badass. Well, Mr. Fearlessfront would be pretty proud of me, even though I knew the technique before I ever seen his video. I took the stub of the shaft there and welded on a 5/8 bolt, real nice and solid. I took my welder up hot as it can go and surely melted it on there pretty damn good, and now we're going to stab the tire on there, so yeah. Oh, so how she looks, guys. I know nothing really changed. I got spindles done there. I showed you guys this one. And I get this one done. Turn my little light on. Oh, freaking awesome. Freaking right. Oh, Fearlessfront would be proud of me. But yes, it's pretty high off the ground, roughly about a foot. Had the engine run there a little bit, warmed her up a little bit. I still gotta get front pulley done to it, and get about, I don't know if I have one right size or not. Might go through a narrow idler pulley down underneath of there. I got an extra idler pulley, so yeah, hopefully she runs good. Looks pretty badass, don't it, tubers? Aw, frickin' rights she does, frickin' rights. Oh, what do you say about that? Yeah. Till next time, keep on watching the News Monkey.
Till next time, keep on watching.